Hey, what's up? This is Sarah Lee Day, and you're watching Dubsado Tidbits, the things you need to know about Dubsado delivered in bite-sized pieces. As a process improvement strategist, the first thing that I always try to do for my clients is find ways to automate their processes instead of just hiring out to another employee. And what's really great about Dubsado is they have so many automation options for setting up your tasks and your workflows within one single platform. There's workflows you can set up. You can generate automated responses based on the leads that are coming into your contact form. You can set up to-do reminders for yourself. And it's all contained in one simple platform that you're already using for a lot of these other features that we've been talking about. And as far as the workflow goes, you can set up emails to go out. You can automatically send contracts, proposals, create invoices, set to-do reminders for yourself. There's so many different things that you can set up in your workflow that it's impossible to go over all of them, but we will cover some. And it's really great because there's not just a one-size-fits-all model that every business is going to use. You can create your workflows to be completely custom set up for your business and for the needs of your business and your clients. So it's another feature that is really at the top of my list of favorites for Dubsado and using Dubsado is their automations. So with that said, the next and final feature that we're going to talk about is integrations, and we will cover that tomorrow. So I will see you then.